So this is a really poor quality, short, stupid video, but it's about an awesome fishing trip I did with Connor and his family, where we caught some sharks. Enjoy and have fun.
What's gonna happen?
Good job, buddy.
Yeah, Connor.
Well, you can start pulling up.
Hey, the shark's going a little crazy.
So the shark you see being picked up now is actually the one I reeled in for like 10 minutes. And then John, the fisher dude, helped me bring it up because it was massively heavy for me. So that's why I'm filming it, but that is a shark I reeled in, so fuck yeah.
I'm filming this. Oh my gosh.
That thing is pissed.
I would be. Yeah, that's amazing. Thank you. I can't believe I did that. That was tiring.
Oh, I want my hook back.
Oh man. Whoa!
Oh, I spilled my Coke.
Ah.
How are you going to get that out? Oh, very carefully.
Oh shit.
He does not want that out.
And then I decided to end it with the beautiful footage of the adorable dolphins that followed our boat. So it's all related, it was all on the same fishing trip, and it's pretty awesome.
Oh, you know what I gotta do is give it a
Like this. You got it?
Yeah, I'm filming him. I'm filming.
That's all, folks.